So then, here I am at my local electric vehicle charger. Just pulled up, gonna give it a go. God knows why somebody's bike's there. Unless they can charge that, I don't think that's going to happen. So this is the Polar network. This is the network that you get to use free with Evesy, who I'm using to have this car, evesy.co.uk. It's a month-by-month subscription that includes everything like your tax, your insurance, your breakdown cover, your free charging, the car itself, the whole lot. And this particular car is a BMW i3, which is fantastic. Had it delivered by Evesy yesterday, and yeah, just going to give it my first charge. So at the moment we can see that we're at 30%. So we're now going to see how long it takes for this charger to do its job, and I think this is quite a powerful one according to Zap Map, which I recommend you download, a free app that tells you all the local chargers and how powerful they are and if they're free. So let's just go and see if we can charge it up. So after a bit of jigging around, what I did was basically I had to move the car really close back to the charging box here because yeah, the lead is not very long, it's not extendable, so that's something you might have to watch out for. It's got the charge in there at 30%, which is exactly what we saw earlier on, and then it tells you how much time has gone. All I did was just literally put this card straight up to there, and then it activated the charging. Now the other cool thing is with zapmap.co.uk is that it tells you like notes. So you're basically, people who use this charger are able to make comments, and some people were saying that this doesn't go up even though you're here for like an hour, 2 hours, but it does charge the car, so that's well worth knowing. But other than that, it was pretty straightforward really. Just plugged it in, scanned the card, and off we go. And that's the actual lead plugged in this end. Sorry if it's a bit windy out here. Just plugged straight on in, nice good hand grip. So I may as well just go sit in the car now and get out a good book, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So just so we can see here how long it's actually going to take, if I put this on like this, there you go, we can see that it's 4:03 and it's currently charging up. That's the little charging lead symbol, and it's at 32.5%. so let's see how long it takes to whack it right up to full charged. Okay, so I've just worked something out while I've been sitting here. Is actually where it says 1600 hours, 4 o'clock, that is the time that it estimates that we will achieve full charge. So the time now is actually just about to be 3 o'clock, so it looks like it's going to take 1 hour to fully charge the car from the 32% or 30% that I got in with. So that's what that big white, the white lettering means there. That is the time to fully charge the car. Right, so the time is now 3:48. And already it is now hit 98% charge. If I just zoom in a bit there, you can see. So I'm not going to hang around. I'm quite happy with that. 98% charge. And it was very, very simple to do. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to go and unplug. And then we tell the charger to stop charging. So 1 second. Here we go. So here's the charging cable. May as well just pull that out, which should be easy enough, hopefully. And maybe, actually, here I am trying to yank it out. We're most probably got to turn the charge off first. So, over we go. Check it out. There, so tap that. And then that's it. That should now, there you go, charge finished. 29 kilowatts done in 1 hour and 3 minutes. So now I should be able to disconnect from the vehicle, which would explain why I couldn't do it just now, because the thing was still bloody live. There you go, straight out now. You live and learn. This is what it's all about. First time ever charging, and it's done. So you've learned from my stupidity. How's that? All right, cool, that's it. So 1 charged car, I am off on my way. Now if you want to have a car like this and be able to just pay 1 monthly fee like I am, where everything's included, all the insurance, the charging, the whole lot, then definitely check out these guys. You can see them just here, Evesy. Okay, $3.99 including VAT per month gets you into one of these with no other costs at all. So your insurance, your tax, your MOT, all of that stuff is all included, maintenance, the whole thing. and then you just get to do 1,000 miles a month is the maximum. Any months that you don't do 1,000 miles, it just rolls over, so that just carries on. And you know, you get one of these fantastic cars, which I think is very, very good value at $399. And then you can go and collect from multiple sites around the UK. If you want to save £50 off your first month, so you only pay $349, then just use my referral code, which is at the bottom of this video. And then we both get £50 off our month subscription, and so it's a win-win. So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope it was useful, and thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.